but you'll always stay close to my heart.
Tired of your sister stealing your makeup? Here's how you can prank her. For this, take a bowl half filled with water, add few pieces of glue stick and a small amount of lipstick to it. Put it in the microwave for a minute or two. Stir well when you keep it out. Pour this mixture in a lipstick container and allow it to set for some time. And that's it, your special lipstick is ready. Next time when your sister steals your makeup, let her experience the stickiness of the entire world. Wanna disturb your friends while they are working? Well, this is what you can do. Take a pen or a pencil they are using and apply some clear nail polish on its tip. Repeat the same procedure for all the pens and pencils in the pen stand. And that's it. Now, when your friend tries to use the pens or pencils, none of them are gonna work and your friend will be left frustrated and irritated. Tired of seeing someone flaunting their hair all the time? Don't worry, I got you. For the third DIY, we need a tissue paper and some acrylic paints. Mix a drop of blue acrylic paint with white such that it together forms a very light blue color. Now take a piece of tissue paper and mix it with the color. Now we get a substance which looks like chewing gum. Stick this on a bobby pin using some fairy bond. They flaunt their hair, just pin your special bobby pin on their hair and let the fun begin. Next one is the easiest of all. All you need is some bubble wrap. Lay a bubble wrap sheet below your doormat. And that's it. When someone steps on the doormat, you know what's gonna happen. Last one is one of my personal favorites. All you need to do is print out a colored image of a 100-rupee note and this troll face. Now fold one corner of the note and cut it out like so. Cut the troll face as well and stick them together like so. And that's it, you're done. Now place this below your friend's or sibling's laptop or book such that the only note part is visible. And when they pull it out, troll them like a boss. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.